Hey everyone, it's Oli. Welcome back to our channel. This is our second day in Meghalaya. Today we are planning to visit the living root bridges of Meghalaya. For that we have to drive to a village called Tirna. We will take our scooty that we rented earlier. Hope you have already watched our last video. If no, please go and watch out. There you will find all the details about scooty rentals. Tirna is 14 km away from our hotel and will take approx 30 to 40 minutes to reach there. So after having our breakfast, we started and it is a full day trek and not an easy one guys. I was also a little worried because it was more than 5 hours trek. But I heard so much about these living root bridges so couldn't resist myself from going there. The road itself is so beautiful and clean and all the way you can hear the sound of bugs and insects. It is a memorable journey. We have reached finally and it's around 3 km away from Tirna village. This is the entry point from where the journey begins. We have bought 2 bamboo sticks also for our support, 20 rupees each. I will recommend to carry water bottle, some dry fruits also if possible as it is a long day trek. Shoikat is ready, I think.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
So we have to go around 3000 steps
Oh my god.
and we'll have to come back that 3000 steps only. So altogether it will 6000 steps.
And how much will it take? How much time?
Not sure, let's see.
Okay. God bless us.
From double decker road bridge, I heard from the local people that if you want to go to Rainbow Falls, then it will take another 1000 or 1500 steps from double
Okay.
decker road bridge. So we're not gonna do that because 3000 plus 3000, 6000 is enough for us.
From here, if you will go straight, there will be the longest single route bridge. If you will go left, that will be the path for double decker route bridge directly. Though it is written 3 minutes only from here, it will take 30 to 40 minutes to reach the single route bridge, but I can say that is worthy.
The living root bridges are made by the roots of rubber trees. Some of these root bridges are over 100 feet long and take 10 to 15 years to get the perfect shape. Traditionally, the Khasi people started the process by planting a tree on each side of the river bank. Then they thread and twist the roots around the wooden bridge, which helps to reach the roots to the other side of the river. When the roots are long enough to reach the other side of the river bank, they are planted down into the ground. Over the time, the roots grow and make the bridge stronger.
Among all the living root bridges in Meghalaya, the double-decker root bridge in Cherrapunji is the prime attraction of Northeast, though we love this single-decker root bridge as well.
So now we are going to double decker root bridge. It's approx 40 to 1 hour, 40 minutes to 1 hour trek from single decker root bridge. We are totally exhausted. Approximately we have climbed down maybe 2000 steps till now, and we'll have to step down more to reach the double decker root bridge. But in your mind, when you know that something beautiful is coming, you can't resist yourself from going there. So here we are going. When you hear the sound, you'll automatically get attracted to it. Guys, this is the steel rod. It's a man-made bridge, as you can see.
And it's shaking.
It's
That
very,
is too scary.
it's shaking heavily.
Have the same cover on my phone.
Oh,
Yeah, 11. Yeah. So finally we have reached Double Decker Bridge after 4 hours trek, and we are totally exhausted. So we have to buy ticket, I think 50 rupees per head.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, people are having shower also in the pool. There is small Maggie coffee shops also. You can have something if you want.
The place was so much crowded when we reached there. If you have time in your plan, you can stay there for one night at Tirna village or near the bridge somewhere. You can find small homestays over there where you can spend one night, and in the next day early morning you can visit this place. The waterfall in between the forest, the living root bridge, that natural pool, and the natural food spa by thousands of fishes in the pool is just a perfect combination and makes this place so attractive. After this long day trek, when you deep dive into this cold water, all your tiredness will just go away.
So guys, now we are returning back. We just had a Maggie and lychee drink over there and took a chilled bottle of water. Now we have to go to the top. So we are completely exhausted, but we have to reach to the top before it gets dark. So we'll meet you there at the top. Signing off now. Bye. और कितना देर लगेगा ऊपर?
Now we are returning back to our hotel. It's already dark, as you can see. We'll be back with our next day experience in the next episode. Till then, bye and stay safe.
If you liked our video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get regular updates.